Hey guys, today I have a really exciting first look at the WyzeCam Outdoor Starter Bundle. So let's get started. What's up guys, it's Drew from Taylor Tech, and on this channel we do smart home tech reviews, installations, and DIY guides. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time check out the video description down below for show notes and product links for everything mentioned in this video. So this video is going to be a first look and unboxing of the WyzeCam Outdoor Starter Bundle Kit. I will be releasing a second and or third video in the near future of a setup and a full review of the product after I've had it for a couple of weeks. I just got this in the mail yesterday and am now getting around to filming the video, and by the time the embargo lifts, you guys will be able to see this video. So what comes in this bundle is the WyzeCam Outdoor and the base station itself. That's what connects to the Wi-Fi, and then the camera communicates to this base station to conserve battery because this is a battery powered camera. So without further ado, let's cut into this box. I believe these are available for pre-order within the next few days. I'll leave the date that you are available to pre-order right up there. I'm liking the unboxing experience so far. It's a nice foam padding here. There's the camera itself. Here's the base station. This is the power adapter for the base station. Yep. And this looks like the micro USB charger for the camera, I would imagine. And they also include an Ethernet jack for your bridge, but I also believe you can connect this via Wi-Fi. So that's a nice addition that they included that. And sticker. I backed Wyze. So you'll get a sticker if you pre-order these when they come out, and some instructions. So let's take a look at the camera. Obviously, it at first glance, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Here is a WyzeCam version 2, so look at the difference there. Quite a lot bigger and heavier, probably about twice the weight as well. Aesthetically, it's, you know, it's about the same design. I would imagine they tried to keep it looking the same as the original. Keep in mind that it's, I don't know, a third bigger almost. We do have different mounting options on the bottom. We'll get to that in a minute here. Looks like screws and anchors to permanently mount to the bottom. Ah, there we go. So this is actually a really strong magnet that attaches the camera itself to this base, which you can permanently fix to your structure. So after you take the base off, it's actually not quite as heavy as it was before because it's got a big heavy magnet in it. It's also got what looks like a 1/4-20 threaded insert on the bottom, so you can attach this to any tripod or something like that, I would imagine, which with this product, what they're really trying to push is portability, and that would allow you to take your tripod with you anywhere you go, like something like a Joby tripod like this. You could just screw it into the top here and kind of take it around with you, move it around as you need it, as opposed to having it in one fixed location. Or if you do want it in one fixed location, you could mount this to the house and then just snap this into the base, and it is very solid. It's not, I'm shaking it pretty good and it's not even moving. Shaking a little bit, but it's not going to fall off this magnet at all, no matter what you do. So that's good to see. And if you do need to take this down to charge the batteries, then you can just easily pull it off the wall. But that being said, it's just as easily for a thief to take it, so you got to keep that in mind as well. So on the back, it says open. I don't know if you can read that. I would imagine that's where the micro USB slot is to charge it. And there's also a power switch. So micro USB to charge it, on off switch there. And on the bottom we have micro SD card slot. I would imagine it's just like the V2 where you can record to the micro SD, but you can't record 24/7 Again, because it's a battery-powered device, you can only record on motion events. It would just kill your battery within a day or so. And there's a sync button to get it paired up with your bridge. That's about it with this guy. It's very hefty. It's not gonna move around on you. It's not flimsy. It feels like it's built very solid. I would imagine a lot of that weight is the battery inside, but it's not too bad. The only thing that shocked me the most was the size, especially when compared to the V2. And the bridge itself also has a screw keyhole in the bottom, so you can attach this to the wall. It's got a USB port on the side, a reset switch, an LED there, a micro USB here as well, which I think you can record this straight to the bridge, and then from the bridge you can have your own set of recordings, because I think you can add multiple cameras to one bridge. And there's a sync button on here as well. QR code on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. And like I said, they included a charging cable for your camera, but no power brick. Maybe they expect you to use the USB on your bridge to do that. We will get this set up in the next video to figure all that out. I do want to mention real quick that Wyze did send me this kit to review. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. They just asked if I wanted the unit. I said yes, and I will be doing a review on it. And that is all the exchanges we had. So this is an unbiased first look, and my next video or two will be the same situation. They will not be sponsored or anything like that. Also, do me a favor real quick and hit the subscribe button down below and click the little notification bell so you don't miss out on the next 2 videos that are coming out in regards to this camera and all my other videos. I was amazed to find out that 97% of all my views on my channel were from non-subscribers as opposed to subscribers. It's completely free. That being said, that's going to round up this video here. I'm going to be releasing another video very shortly. So stay tuned for that one. I will go ahead and set this thing up. And then in a couple of weeks, I'll come back to this device and do a full review. I can't do a review after just receiving the thing. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick first look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.